So the good thing about a service program is that it takes that responsibility completely off your plate. So the responsibility of making sure you have your routine maintenance appointments scheduled so that you can get your systems checked in, the fall and in the spring, that responsibility of remembering to have to book those appointments is completely removed. We will do all of that for you. We will make sure that we're sending out reminders. You'll get routine reminders about filter changes. Any type of anything that's considered maintenance to keep your systems in good functioning order so that you can be in front of any potential issues. Your system not cooling in the middle of the night or a weekend comes around and, now it's not getting as cool as it had been earlier in the week. So we help make sure that we can stay in front of anything like that. You're in the family, you're part of the Kerr County AC family. We will take care of you just like we do our family. Another great benefit is should there be a need for a repair, you are going to be getting 10% off any repairs that we do. And in the event you get to a point where you're just like, you know what, it's time to get a new, more efficient system, we offer 5% off system replacements to our VIP members. So should you get to a place to where you feel like you might as well, it's time just to replace that system, there's the 5% available to you at that point. Another great benefit of being a member is that you get priority scheduling. So if you do need to have a service appointment scheduled, you just give us a call. Even if we have a pretty booked day, we will make sure that you are the very next available appointment. We're going to do everything that we can to try to get out there that same day and get your issue taken care of. There are lots of perks with that membership. You can give Keyana in the office a call. She can talk you through all of them. It includes condenser coil cleans. Again, you get those 2 annual system checkups. And that alone right there, if you had us come out twice a year to do a spring and a fall checkup, the cost is going to be more than if you were a VIP member and you got those 2 checks. So right there, if you are somebody who does do regular maintenance on your system twice a year, you're going to save money by becoming a VIP member and getting those 2 checks plus all of these other perks. So if that's something that speaks to you and you're interested in, give Keyana in the office a call and she can help get you set up. Thanks and have a great day.